In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove encryption from a document in Microsoft Word. Working with protected documents is quite common, especially when files contain sensitive or confidential information. However, there may come a time when you no longer need that protection and want to remove the encryption so the document can be accessed more easily. Thankfully, Microsoft Word makes this process simple, as long as you have the correct password. To begin, open the encrypted Word document. As soon as you try to access it, you'll be prompted to enter the password. Type in the correct password to unlock the file and allow full access. Without this step, you won't be able to make any changes to the document's security settings. Once the document is open, move to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. This will take you to the main menu where you can manage various settings related to your document. From here, look for the Info section, which usually appears by default after clicking File. Inside the Info panel, you'll see an option labeled Protect Document. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu containing several security features. Among these options, find and select Encrypt with Password. This is the setting currently applied to your document. After clicking it, a small dialog box will appear displaying the existing password field. You'll notice that the password is hidden for security reasons. To remove the encryption, simply delete the contents of that password field, leaving it completely blank. This action tells Word that you no longer want the document to be password protected. Once the field is empty, click OK to confirm your changes. At this point, the encryption setting has been removed, but it's important to save your document to apply the update permanently. Click Save, or press the Save shortcut on your keyboard to ensure that the document is now stored without any password protection. After saving, your document will no longer require a password to open. Anyone with access to the file will be able to view and edit it without restrictions, so be sure that removing encryption is the right choice before proceeding. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.